It's like fast food. Like, if you want something quick and simple, Snapchat's great. But if you want me to do a quality cosplay custom, or I'm actually not a big fan of Snapchat, but it's a good place for business. So.
That's why I keep hearing. I hate Snapchat. Snapchat's, to me, it's annoying. Maybe because, you know, I'm not young and wet behind the ears, so I don't know, you know. But I can't stand, right? I don't know. I just can't stand Snapchat. But a lot of people use it, so, you know.
Yeah, Heather actually got me onto it and kind of taught me how to do it right. But it's a lot. And if you're not, and because stuff disappears, if you sell like your premium private stories to someone or whatever, I've been told multiple times that I'm not posting enough because there's like not content 24/7. And I'm like, look, if you want something that doesn't disappear, I got options.
Right. Yeah.
So
is it going out to like random people, or is it just your followers?
The Snapchat?
Yeah.
It's so weird. There's like multiple ways you can send things. I don't send snaps like to groups, but I know you can. For me, it's like I set some things that go out to anybody, or put it on like the Snap map so that it can be seen based on locality. But it has to be safe for work because you can get reported. Then there's like your friends list, and then there's private stories. So I keep people who are previewing my private or considering buying content. I keep people on my friends list for a little while. And then if they don't buy the premium and get a preview, ask for a menu, whatever, I just boot them eventually after a couple weeks. So that's like my platform where if you're not a buyer, I'm going to remove. But that's the only one I do that with. And again, that was advice that was given to me. So it's what I do.
Yeah, it works though.
Private story is the sales part, or they can buy other things. I do like dance requests and things like that over Snapchat because it's quick and easy.
Yeah, and you said it works.
When somebody wants a 10-minute custom, I'm like, you got to go so I can send it on OnlyFans. So, because that kind of stuff, like I don't like downgrading the quality of my stuff just so it'll go through Snapchat. I think why I clash with Snap a lot is because people come in expecting content constantly, but it's like clips of just random solo, or some people do more than that on there, but it's not. It's like fast food. Like, if you want something quick and simple, Snapchat's great. But if you want me to do a quality cosplay custom, or, you know, an actual boy-girl video or something, it's going to be quality. And so it's not going to send on Snapchat or anywhere really because it's large.
Right. Snapchat is more like short form videos.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. And I have seen people sell, like, they'll set up a private story for one night and sell like a sex show or something, but I've never done that. Again, Snap's not my preferred, but it does bring in, you know, and it's better than OnlyFans in that it doesn't take 20%. So.
Right.
Yeah.